in the beautiful city of Concord for this historic first-time all-encompassing Igbo Cultural Festival and Religion Igbo, which is universally known as New Yam Festival, an inclusive ceremony of the people of Igbo in this part of the country. It is my honor, it is the honor of my life as the convener and as the elected coordinator of Igbo Union to tell you briefly about us and our vision to organize this great project. First, the Igbo Union of Northern California is the cultural organization of the Igbo people living in Northern California. Igbo is one of the 3 major ethnic groups in Nigeria and one of the largest single ethnic groups in Africa. Our rich cultural heritage, tenacity and entrepreneurship, hospitality, adaptability to change are the traits that distinguish us from other groups in Nigeria and in the whole of Africa. Hence, Igbo decided to build a community cultural heritage center here in Concord. We want to build a cultural center here in Concord to share our rich cultural and tradition to the world and to our children. Some of the features that will be included in the Igbo Community Cultural Heritage Center will include Igbo Museum, small event facilities, community event halls, multi-purpose meeting, conference, and recreational facility, multi-purpose event space, recreational spaces, food services, facilities, and African cuisine, to mention a few. We have also gathered here today in the beautiful city of Concord to demonstrate the unity of Igbo in the midst of our friends and our host. There are greater benefits when we unite and speak with one voice. We must begin to speak with one voice. And when we demonstrate, they will say that we are one united in Igbo in America, ready to contribute and participate collectively in American politics. Igbo have contributed in so many areas of human endeavors, individually, family by family. But when we move collectively, greater rewards spread to all humanity. We have made incredible impact in the academia, sports, business, and technology. But collectively, we must now share our rich culture and traditions. We are open to advice from individuals, the public, as well as support from and partnership with cities and corporations in the form of sponsorships. In closing, my colleagues and I in Igbo Union and in Omo Igbo Unite. You all know Omo Igbo Unite is the young adults, professionals. They teamed us with us, and we are doing this together with them. We wish to thank all of you, our friends, including all the Igbo associations, their leadership, individuals. You know who you are. Solano Pharmacy, East Bay EDA, Southwest Airlines, and all our donors who have donated generously towards our fundraising efforts to achieve our legacy, Igbo Community Cultural Heritage Center. My 4 children, my 4 wonderful children, and my beautiful wife, Chifogesh Veronica Oji, our little kid and more. There is no way we could have pulled this off without all of your support and hard work. May God bless you, and may God bless the United States of America, and may God bless us all. Iketuku F. Oji, Coordinator General, Igbo Union. Ndewo.
Biko kono na aka no kukwano na aka look at the club now. You know you know what it takes somebody to no sleep because write this kind of thing. Madam Wanya, Deputy here Goya, Ikwaka Burusu. No wahala. Here one man parish headquarters. Reverend Father na Chime travel. Yeah, for the cat keys. Cat keys say no go Kuchuku na Sunday. Hey, Obi away cat keys now for say no emergency cat Saturday. That's all go Kuchuku. I say, hey, okay. I say, well, you got me here. I'm just going to call now. This is the public address. Now, look, where the church I go to, Katkis, Bagul, and I buy the go to. Say, and the church. Oh, no matter how we're going to come with January, road December, come in here. I better than Chineke. On your wine, on your road, that's me, Sabasawo. So, on my hog, my mother put a go, he marry Hoku. On a Hekaka. Because Corona Chief I got calls, so Corona I got easy. We don't know. Ugwa, I got my name. I'm never in Dago and I go here, him and I don't have Baka. Oh, you're believing not go, I go and I go here. Because Jordan and you go there. I'm going to walk to Yakwaka, Mampoe. So I tell you my name, good to see Chiche. Then when order of calling you. Everybody, my brother, Joma, the mayor of Richmond and the vice mayor, what are the ideas? As we continue in our program, if the mayor of Richmond or the vice mayor, please, we need you over here. Oh, wow. The mayor is here live. Can we put our together? A round of applause for the mayor of Richmond. Yeah. Richmond, yeah. So we just welcome the mayor of Richmond in our midst. Then as we are giving him place to stay, Imo family, are we all together here? Okay, Imo family meeting women dance. Ngwa, ono ga pụta na ọgbọ, ga gbara anyị n'egwu. Dịka ha ga na-agba egwu, ọ bụ na enwere ihe nọ gị n'akpa biko ka ọ na-efeli elu. Nke a bụghị obodo dị anya sị gị na ifeli ego anyị ga-eme ya taa. Onweghị ihe ọhịa ịbara. So dịka ha ga na-agba egwu, aka ga na-aba gị n'akpa. Karịsịa ndị di ha n'ọhịa na ndị ụmụ ha, ha na-agbada egwu, ụnụ amanye aka n'akpa na-eme ha mma. Oge sie ha ike. So ngwa orugoro na emume.
Kabiko Nemo family. And the music you requested is not here. So we are playing the whole music and no the Biko only team up and Nemo family because we don't know now. You know. Go ahead.